Hello everyone. Welcome to this live coding session. Today, we'll build a dynamic menu application using React, where we can filter items by categories. This app is interactive, engaging, and teaches some important React concepts like state management and props. Let's get started. Here, we start by importing React and the useState hook, which allows us to manage state in a functional component. We're also importing our child components menu and categories, the items data file which contains our menu items, and the styles.css file for styling. Next, we create a constant all categories that dynamically generates a list of unique categories from the data file. We use JavaScript set to ensure there are no duplicates and add an all category at the beginning. This will allow us to filter items based on their categories. Now, let's create our app component. Inside, we use the useState hook twice. The first state, menu items, holds the items we want to display, and initially, it contains all the items. The second state, categories, holds our list of categories generated earlier. Here's our filter items function. It checks the selected category. If the category is all, it resets the menu to display all items. Otherwise, it filters the items by the selected category and updates the menu item state with the filtered list. This function is the core of our dynamic filtering. In the app component's return statement, we structure the UI. First, we have a title section with an underline for styling. Below that, we render the categories component, passing down the categories list and filter items function as props. Finally, we render the menu component, passing the menu item state to display the filtered items. Next, we define the categories component. It accepts categories and filter item as props from app.js. We also use useState to keep track of the active category. When a button is clicked, the handle category click function is called, which updates the active category and filters the menu items. Finally, in return statement, we loop through the categories array and render buttons dynamically. Each button gets a unique key, the filter btn class, and a conditional active class to highlight the selected category. The onClick handler triggers our handle category click function, updating the active category state to reflect the current selection. This approach ensures that the user interface remains responsive and visually indicates which category is currently active, allowing for seamless interaction and filtering. The menu component is a functional component that takes items as a prop. These items represent the filtered menu data passed from app.js. In the return statement, we use the map method to iterate over the items array. For each menu item, we extract its properties like ID, title, IMG, desk, and price. Each menu item is rendered inside an article tag, ensuring it has a unique key. The layout includes an image, a title, a price, and a description. And that's it. We've built a functional React menu app with category filtering. I hope you enjoyed following along. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about what you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.